In today's video, we are going to do 10 head female stick figure, which is slightly different from 8 head stick figure. So for that I'm going to use scale, which has inches and centimeters, a pen pencil, a smaller scale and a eraser. So let's begin the video. Take a plain paper and divide it into half. A straight center line should be drawn in between, and after that leave something around 2 centimeters of gap, and draw a straight line which should be exactly straight and parallel to the paper. When we'll keep parallel to the paper, the line will be straight. After that, mark total 10 inches. See, in the scale, these are the inches and these are the centimeters. Okay, when I'll say 0.5 centimeter, this is 0.5 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, 0.2 centimeters, 0.3 centimeters, 1.5 centimeters, this is 2 centimeters. And in inches, when I'll say 1 inch, this is 1 inch, this is 1/4, this is half inch, see, half, and this is 3/4 inch. Okay, now mark 1 inch. This is the space, and now mark 1 inch, 2 till 10. After this, take a small scale and place it over here. Just divide this. This is the 10th line. And now this is 0, this line is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. Okay, after this 0 to 1 will be our head part. See, when I am telling you 0 to 1, you just see the 0 to 1 box and start working in 0 to 1 part. And when I'll say 1 to 2, you just see the 2 line, and even you write these numbers so that it will be easy when I'll be doing the next part. See, 0 to 1 is 0.7. 0.7 is 5, 6, 7. 0.7. This is 0.7, and over here also 0.7. And from the bottom chin part 0.5, and over here 1 centimeter this side, 1 centimeter this side. This is 0.7, this is 1 centimeters, and this part is 0.5. If you're doing it for the first time, please write all the measurements on the right side. And mark these points together. Okay, we are done now. The head part is completed. After this, the shoulder part. Now this is 1 inch. We took this 1 inch. Now this should be, the shoulder part will come on half inch. The shoulder part should come on ½ inch, okay? And for the 10 head figure, the shoulder will be 2.2. This side 2.2 and this side 2.2. Exactly 2.2. The shoulder should be 2.2. After that, over here it should be 0.5. 0.5, 0.5. So this is 0.5. The distance is 0.5. And now from here to here 0.5. Keep this on the center and mark 0.5. And over here also 0.5. And on the shoulder part also 0.5. And keep it cross and mark 0.5. Now join this. This is the neck part, okay? I don't know here. After this, we'll come to the waist part. The waist part will come on, see, on the third line, but this is 10 head, so we are going to take 0.5 below. On the third line, go 0.5 below. This is 0.5. And now from this third line, just mark a light line where the waist will come over here. Okay, this is the waist part. Now this side 1.3 and this side 1.3. So this is 1, 2, 3. 1.3. Go and attach this part here to the shoulder, or we can call it as armpit or the shoulder. Here armpit will come over here. And to do the arm, on the second line, go 0.2. 0.2 down, 0.2 down. The total will be 1.3. From above, the total will be 1.3. So next will be the hip part. For the hip part, just go half. In between 4 to 5, half. Here our hip will be ending, and hip part will be, just first you mark only 2.2 over here and 2.2 on this side. Okay, now it's clear. And see, now this is half, this is 1/4, right? Mark 1/4 over here and just mark a second dotted line. Now this should go and attach to this part. This is the dot. Join this. This is the dot. Join this. And this will be here. This is the crouch part. This is the hip part. Okay. This is the crouch part where our hip part will end. This is the crouch part. And now take a eraser and erase this line. Okay. Erase the extra line. And this is 2.2 centimeters. Okay, please write the measurements correctly. After the hip, we are going to do the elbow part. So please don't get confused in the elbow part. Now this is in 3 to 4 between 3 to 4. Mark elbow as half. In in 8 head theory we used to do waist and elbow on the same side, like side by side, and this hands will be a little longer. So this is our elbow part. Mark a light circle so that it is visible, and next in 3 to 4 mark 3/4 over here. This will be our wrist part. Okay, just in between mark 3/4. This is half, this is 3/4, right? Mark 3/4 over here. After that, just extend this line till 3/4. Okay, then this is our wrist part. This should be 0.5 centimeters, the distance, and this should be 0.6 centimeters. Okay, and from here to here it is 3/4, or you can say 0.6 centimeters. Okay, next, now the hand part, the palm part. Okay, just go like this till here, and the center line of this will be here. Join it, and this is half. Always the palm should end on, the last tip of the finger should be ending on the mid thigh. Now this is the waist, this is the waist part, this is the hip part, and this is the mid thigh part. So just go slant outside and then come inside straight. This will be our fingers. Okay, here, and this will be our thumb part. Okay, this. So let's go to the knee part, and the knee will be in between 6 and 7. So half inch we should mark over here, half inch. Okay, then make a horizontal line, which is, this is a horizontal line. Okay, and in between mark 0.5. This is 0.5 here, 0.5 here, and 1 centimeter for the knee, 1 centimeter for the knee part. With that we will do ankle and join all the points. The ankle will be on this number 9. 0.5 this side, 0.5 this side, and 0.5 this side, 0.5 this side. This is 0.5. This is 1 centimeters, 0.5. I hope you all are doing with me this, going as low as possible. Join all the points. See. And now this part. This part we can do in many different ways, like this side or closure, any type. I'm going to show you a simple way. This is 0.5, and next mark 0.5 over here, 0.5 over here, and join this point to this point to this. Next, from here mark 1 centimeters, mark 1 centimeters, join these points. In stick figure we can do this type. Okay, now we are done with this. So write all the measurements on the right part, and then this is the head part, H-E-A-D, head, and this half is shoulder, in between shoulder part. After that, see, this was in 8 head theory, this was the waist part. Now this is the waist part, waist, and this is the hip part. See, we took 1/4 or 0.6 we can take. This is the hip part, and then this is the crouch part. This is the crouch part, and this with the, I told you, with the hand ends, the finger part, this is the mid thigh, and this is, mark a round circle over here, this is a knee part. Then here will come the calf muscle, this part, and here on the 9th it is ankles, and this is tip of toe. Now we are done over here. So this is 10 head theory, which will be used in fashion illustration, human illustration, or sketching in many different ways. Thank you.